In this Java tutorial, we will talk about ArrayList. ArrayList class is a resizable array. ArrayList is available in Java package. To use ArrayList, we need to import it, or we can use auto import feature of program. I will create an object from ArrayList class. Automatic import process is done by application. I can create object by using new keyword. I am printing object to console. There is no member in object at the moment. I want to know the size of object. The numbers of members in the object is 0. I am adding a member to object. I will add a member of type string. Size of object is 1. I will directly print object to console. It is printed to console as a list. We can access a specific member by using get function. For example, let's access first member. Remember that index number of first member is 0 in the list. Let's add another member of type integer. I am printing first and second members of object to console. In summary, members in an array list can be of different types. You can't print a member that doesn't exist in a list to the console. The application will receive an error. You can use a for loop to print the members of the object to the console. I am sending a variable of type object to the for loop. You can get rid of index out of bounds error by using a for loop. You can update any member of the object. I will send two parameters to the set function. The first parameter is the index number that I will update. Secondly, I am sending the value that I want to update. I am updating the first member as Paris. You can use the remove method to delete a member. I am sending the index number that I want to delete to the method. The New York member will be deleted from the list. So what is the first member of the list? When a member is deleted in a list, all members are shifted to the left. Therefore, the first member of the list is 1001. We can delete all members in the list using the clear method. In this video, we learned how to use ArrayList. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.